Hello guys! Merry Christmas! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful mirror. This is the finished look. If you're interested, please keep watching. For this DIY project, I used the poster board from Dollar Tree, 12 inches glass mirror from Amazon, and aluminum foil which I already have at home. I first prepared two circular boards with a diameter of 26 inches. And then I glued those two boards together to give a solid foundation for the mirror. If I'm using a strong cardboard or foam board, I think one layer is sufficient. And then I used the Dollar Tree mask tape to wrap the edge of the board to give it a clean look. The next step is to glue the mirror onto the board. I used both 6000 and hot glue gun to make sure the mirror is firmly attached in the middle of the board. The next step is to prepare the aluminum foil strips and glue them onto the board. For those aluminum foil strips, you can decide whichever size works for you. And hot glue gun works perfectly to glue them onto the board. This is the finished first layer. It looks good, but it is too thin for me and it doesn't have the 3D effect which I wanted. So I decided to do two more layers to give the mirror a little bit more volume. This is how I did the second layer. This is a finished second layer. This is how I did the third layer. This is the finished third layer. As you can see in the video, I did the three layers with three different sizes, but you can do the three layers with the same size. I think that could be a good option as well. Now let's check it out, the final product. This is the first option with the original color of the aluminum foil. I like the very unique and chic look. And also, I do like the big volume as well. I also spray painted the mirror into gold color to show you guys how the mirror looks like if it is gold. It turns out so beautiful. I really like the richness of the color and the very uniqueness of the texture. Feel free to let me know which option do you like better. If you are new to my channel and also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. It will help a lot to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.